Violence is escalating over a controversial citizenship law in India. Tens of thousands have been protesting across the country for the past 5 days. Let's get more now from our reporter Shweta Bajaj, who joins us live in New Delhi. So Shweta, what's on the ground there?
It's an uneasy calm, really, this cold, chilly winter morning in Delhi. I'm standing outside the police headquarters of the Delhi police. This is the place where till early morning at about 3 a.m. India time, there were a whole lot of civil society and protesters and journalists here asking the Delhi police to release the detained students of Jamia Millia. This started yesterday. There were protests that were being held at the university, which was followed by a clampdown by the Indian security forces that entered the university's. Eyewitnesses and videos available of that time show that the police used more force than needed to really control those students. Many of the students were also really caught between the crossfire and were not even part of the protest, leading up to some getting seriously injured and later getting admitted into hospital. This later garnered even more momentum and support from the civil society, forcing people to come outside the Delhi police headquarters, asking them to not use force that the situation does not demand, and that's what really unfolded in the Indian capital. There was a precursor to it. There was a bus that had caught fire. This was right outside the gate of the Jamia Millia University. There are many questions floating about who really lit up the fire there. Investigations will go on. The ruling party of Narendra Modi is saying that these protests are being instigated by India's leading opposition party, Congress, but it's not just New Delhi. Going into the state of Assam in northeast is where the crux of the protests are also there. They are also against the Citizen Amendment Bill for a completely different reason, that they don't want any refugees at all.
All right, Shweta Bajaj live for us there in New Delhi. Thanks so much for the update.